If you want to add music in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to import your music, place it on the timeline, trim it, adjust the volume, add fades, and even fine-tune it with the inspector and Fairlight. This is perfect whether you're editing a vlog, a tutorial, a cinematic video, or any project that needs background music. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. On the top left, you'll see the Media Pool. This is where all of your imported files are stored, including video, audio, images, and more. If you don't see your music file yet, that's because it hasn't been imported into the project. To bring your music in, right-click in any empty space inside the Media Pool and choose Import Media. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+I if you want to speed things up. That will open a file browser on your computer. Now locate the music file you want to use. DaVinci Resolve works with common audio formats like MP3, WAV, and AIFF, so choose the file you want and click Open. After that, your music will appear inside the media pool, ready to use. Next, drag the music file from the media pool and drop it directly onto the timeline below your video tracks. If there isn't already an audio track there, Resolve will automatically create a new one for you. This makes it very easy to start building your sound design without any extra setup. Once the music is on the timeline, you'll usually want to trim it to match the length of your edit. To do that, hover your mouse over the beginning or end of the music clip until your cursor changes into a bracket icon. Then click and drag to shorten or extend the clip. This is great if the song starts too early or runs too long for your video. Now let's adjust the volume. If the music is too loud or too quiet, hover over the horizontal white line in the middle of the audio clip. When your cursor changes into a double arrow, click and drag up to raise the volume or down to lower it. This is one of the fastest ways to balance your background music against your voiceover or dialogue. If you want a smoother sound, you can also create a fade. Look for the small white handles at the top left or top right corners of the audio clip. Drag those handles toward the center to create a fade in or fade out. This helps the music start and end more naturally instead of cutting off suddenly. For even more control, select the music clip and open the inspector in the top right. Inside the inspector, you can use the volume slider for more precise level adjustments. You can also use the pan slider to move the sound slightly left or right if you want to shape the stereo feel of the audio. This is especially useful if you're trying to create a more polished mix. If you want to go deeper into audio editing, switch over to the Fairlight page by clicking the musical note icon at the bottom. Fairlight gives you access to the full audio mixer and more advanced tools. From there, you can apply effects like equalization or dynamics to the entire music track, which is ideal for making the music sit better under your video. Before you finish, always play back your timeline and check the audio meters in the bottom right corner. Make sure your music levels are not peaking into the red zone because that usually means the audio is too loud and may distort. A clean mix should stay controlled and balanced throughout the project. And that's it. You now know how to add music in DaVinci Resolve 20 the easy way. You've learned how to import audio, place it on the timeline, trim it, adjust the volume, create fades, and fine-tune it using the inspector and Fairlight. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.